Today, we're talking about recurve bows, the one traditional weapon that keeps archers of all ages in the game with grace and grit. Too many seniors give up shooting because they think age means compromise, but what if I told you the right bow could fix that? Let's run through 8 recurve rigs that prove you're not too old to shoot sharp and steady. Number 1. Samick Sage. The Sage has been floating around club ranges for well over a decade, and at around $150 on most retail sites, it still delivers an almost unfair amount of bow for the money. Seniors who want to shoot comfortably without feeling as though they're arm wrestling a grizzly get to pick a draw weight anywhere from 25 to 60 pounds. I usually steer older beginners towards the 40-pound limbs, then remind them that a fresh set of lighter or heavier limbs runs about $70 and bolts on in 2 minutes. The riser's olive diamond wood and maple blend feels warm even on frosty mornings, and the shelf is already radiused and padded, so there's no scratchy rasp each time the arrow leaves. A full-size 62-inch layout keeps the string angle gentle, which spares aging shoulders and lets archers with longer draws keep good alignment. Brass bushings come pre-installed, so adding a plunger or lightweight hunting quiver is simply a matter of winding in a screw. The bow's balance point sits right behind the pivot, and with the standard Dacron string, it produces a calm thrum rather than a teeth-rattling snap. A Sage may not be fancy, but seniors appreciate how little fuss it demands. Limbs off, limbs on, shoot arrows, repeat. Maintenance is limited to an occasional waxing of the 14-strand string and a wipe down of the glossy finish. For anyone who wants a first traditional rig, or a forgiving backup that won't punish an arthritic elbow, the Samick Sage remains the reliable friend that always shows up when you need a day on the range. Still drawing strong? Hit subscribe and join the Silver Archer Squad. Steady hands, sharp eyes, and no-nonsense gear. Lightweight picks, age-proof tips, let's aim smarter, shoot smoother, and never miss a moment. Number 2. Southwest Archery Spider. Southwest calls the Spider the Sage's spiritual successor, and at about $140, it shares the same wallet-friendly spirit while applying a bit of polish. The compact 62-inch bow was shaped by smoothing every hard edge of the predecessor. The grip is slimmer and slightly higher in the wrist, letting shooters keep the bow arm relaxed rather than forcing an overextended lock. Seniors with previous shoulder issues will notice the difference immediately. Draw weights begin at 16 pounds and climb in 5-pound steps up to 60, so an archer can start with a 20 or 25 and climb later without replacing the entire bow. The limbs arrive with reinforced tips that shrug off fast flight string, and the package even includes a 14-strand Dacron line and an optional stringer. Assembly is straightforward. 2 Allen bolts secure limb to riser, twist on the string, and you're knocking arrows within 5 minutes. Despite the modest price, the riser gleams with laminated diamond wood darkened by a satin finish that hides scuffs, handy when the bow travels in the trunk next to lawn chairs and coolers. Southwest adds brass inserts for sights and stabilizers, but the bow shoots damp enough that most seniors never bother. With a properly spined carbon shaft, a 40-pound Spider will zip arrows through a standard foam block at 20 yards, yet remain docile enough for a lunch break practice session. For the archer who appreciates a slightly sleeker form than the Sage while retaining the same approachable price and limb interchangeability, the Spider fits like a worn-in glove. Number 3. PSE Razorback. The full-length Razorback, marketed right now at about 140 smackers, began life as a youth trainer, but evolved into a tool that many gray-haired newcomers find ideal. Its 62-inch AMO and featherlight 2.2-pound heft remove any fear of fatigue. Limbs top out at 35 pounds, so nobody will be dragging elk out of backcountry. Yet for indoor leagues and backyard bullseyes, the bow excels. Seniors appreciate the rubberized shelf insert that cushions arrow launch and dampens that first-time shooter twang. The takedown system also uses oversized thumb screws. No Allen key to misplace, making it easy to disassemble with stiff fingers. PSE cut the riser past center and tapped it for accessories, which means anyone transitioning from compound can bolt on a plunger and fiber optic sight and feel instantly at home. Maple and fiberglass limbs hold alignment admirably. I've seen kids stump shoot, drop the Razorback in the gravel, and the tips still stay straight. Because the bow's maximum output hovers around 30 foot-pounds of energy, recoil is almost non-existent. That translates into less aftershock vibration and fewer aches for shooters who already manage arthritis or tendinitis. For retirees who want to picnic with the grandkids and punch the 10 ring at 15 yards without tuning headaches, the PSE Razorback supplies an easygoing path into archery culture. Number 4. Bear Grizzly. At just under $500, the Grizzly represents the premium pick on our list. Introduced in 1950 and scarcely altered since 1964, the 58-inch one-piece blends northern hardwood with clear maple under translucent glass, producing a classic that looks at home on any cabin wall. The factory string is Dacron. The shelf comes crowned and topped with bear hair, and the grip melts into the palm thanks to a narrow throat and sculpted palm swell. Those details matter to seniors because comfort encourages longer, more productive practice. The mass weight hovers near 2 pounds, allowing steady aim without strain. Bear currently offers draw weights from 40 to 60 pounds. Now, I recommend the 45 for most older hunters and the 40 for strict target work. The shorter length means easier maneuvering and ground blinds, yet the design's smooth force curve keeps stacking subtle. No takedown bolts here. This is a seamless bow, so owners never worry about limb alignment or loose hardware. The laminated tips do prefer B50 or Barbie strings, but that slower material actually benefits senior shooters by reducing some hand shock. In drizzle or snow, the satin finish and glass overlays laugh at moisture, so this bow remains warp-free for decades. It may cost twice the price of a starter rig, but the Grizzly delivers decades of worry-free shooting and, with a little wax and an occasional new string, can be passed on to grandkids who will value the same silky draw. Number 5. Tidewee Recurve. Tidewee assembled a beginner-friendly kit that sells for about $120 and arrives with everything needed to fling arrows, 16-strand Dacron string, 6 carbon shafts, stick-on rest, finger guard, even a stringer. The laminated wood limbs cap a machined aluminum riser, and the total bow mass stays under 2.5 pounds, which suits archers whose stabilizer muscles aren't what they used to be. Draw weights span 20 to 50 pounds, so seniors with limited strength can start light while having the option for hunting legal poundage. The riser's medium wrist contour encourages a relaxed hand position that minimizes torque, and the grip is overmolded with rubber, providing warmth in cold climates and reducing slip when summer sweat appears. Assembly requires a single Allen key. Once strung, the bow shows moderate reflex-deflex and pulls smoothly to its 29-inch maximum. Noise out of the box is noticeable, but stick-on wool silencers and a dab of felt between limb and pocket tame the report quickly. After simple tuning, the bow launches a 400-grain arrow in the mid-160s from 40 pounds. Plenty for deer inside 20 yards, and more than lively enough for range fun. The biggest draw for seniors is value. By including arrows and protective gear, Tidewee eliminates the nickel-and-dime spiral that can scare off first-timers on fixed incomes. Number 6. Martin Saber Takedown. Retailing between $230 and $250, the Saber merges an aluminum molded riser with laminated maple limbs to create a 64-inch performer renowned for gentle shooting manners. Martin equips the riser with twin vibration vortex modules and a thermal 5 rubber grip sleeve. Both features soak up feedback before it reaches wrist or elbow. Seniors prone to tendon flare-ups often remark how surprisingly dead the shot feels, even at 50-pound draw weights. The bow's long limb angle yields a forgiving brace height, which in turn reduces finger pinch for those with mild osteoarthritis. Draw options begin at 30 pounds and climb in 5-pound steps to 55. And replacement limbs remain easy to source because Martin still machines them domestically. The shelf is radiused, drilled, and bushed for plungers and stabilizers, making it truly plug-and-play for a compound convert who already owns accessory hardware. At 3 1/3 pounds, the Saber is heavier than most wood rigs, yet that extra mass also adds a steadying influence that many older shooters appreciate when aiming beyond 30 yards. With a fast flight string, the Saber slings a 10 grain per pound arrow near 180 FPS, but the more important takeaway is how predictably those arrows cluster once the bow is tuned. For seniors who crave a modern handle and minimal vibration, and who don't mind an extra pound of riser, the Saber delivers comfort without sacrificing energy. Number 7. Kaino Kai Traditional Laminated. Kainokai's horse bow flavored Recurve lists around $90, and while its form evokes the steppes rather than an Olympic line, it offers several perks for small-statured or shorter draw seniors. Overall length is 54 inches, and thanks to a bamboo core and fiberglass belly, the limbs store ample snap without punishing the shooter. Draw weights range from 15 to 55 pounds, and the riser's slim profile supports left or right-handed models, helpful for seniors recovering from dominant side injuries. The Daima string included is adequate. Swapping in a Flemish twist raises performance and tunes out residual twang. Finish quality isn't boutique, but the bow's laminated limbs shrug off dings and the compact size travels easily inside a sedan trunk or airline case. Many traditionalists use thumb release on bows of this style, yet the Kainokai's shelf allows Mediterranean draw as well, keeping finger stress low for arthritic joints. At 40 pounds, the bow shot through a chronograph at 176 feet per second with a moderate arrow, a testament to efficient limb design. Owners have reported that adding a felt pad under the limb pockets and installing wool puffs on the string transform it from buzzy to pleasantly muted. Seniors who like the idea of an eye-catching traditional bow that fits in smaller spaces, and who want to dabble in thumb ring technique without draining the checking account, will find the Kainokai an adventurous but forgiving companion. Number 8. Obert Black Hunter. The Black Hunter, marketed under several badges including Obert, HBG, and Mandarin Duck, can be had for about $115 and might represent the sharpest cost-to-performance ratio available. The bamboo cord limbs leverage German-style laminates that deliver excellent cast, and replacement pairs run $50, so experimenting with different weights won't break budgets. Available options start at 30 pounds and top at 60. Many seniors settle on a 45-pound set for hunting and 35 for leisurely practice. The 15-inch hardwood riser tips the scale light, yet the bow remains lively rather than whippy. Fit and finish show minor tool marks if you look closely, but the structural integrity is solid, and the radiused shelf arrives ready for a Velcro pad. The factory Dacron string produces noticeable snap, adding felt between limb and pocket, then twisting in a fast flight or low strand B55 line, cuts noise and boosts speed. At 45 pounds, the bow drives a 400 grain arrow near 185 FPS, which aligns with far more expensive rigs. Seniors choose the Black Hunter because its compact 58-inch length allows smooth draws up to 30 inches while remaining maneuverable in blinds. Assembly relies on standard takedown bolts. Older hands will appreciate the large knobs. The grip is medium-high with a modest palm swell, neither too thin nor too blocky, and after light sanding and linseed oil, it feels custom. For archers on fixed incomes who still dream of chasing whitetails or shooting weekly 3D events, the Black Hunter offers modern efficiency, replaceable limbs, and a price that leaves room for a deluxe string and a dozen good arrows. And that's our breakdown of 8 senior-friendly recurves that prove traditional archery still belongs to anyone with a good draw and a steady eye. Do you got a favorite we might have overlooked? Drop it in the comments down below. We want to hear what's working for you. Make sure to hit like, share this with your shooting buddies, and subscribe for more archery deep dives that keep it real.
This is Threat to Survival. Prepare today, thrive tomorrow. Embrace the threat to survival.